All right, I think I fixed it. There we go. Alrighty, what's up, guys? Thank you for just chilling and hanging out. Not really. I mean, you guys weren't around. I was just having to deal with some internet shit all morning. Fun stuff. Hope you guys are ready for some good movements here. This is NBY. The reason that my profit isn't that big right there because I got in here and yeah, I got my ass kicked on this one first. Yeah, I jumped in, said screw it. Not gonna take that kind of a loss. I'm gonna go ahead and jump out real quick, and sure did. And guess what? Jump back in. Now I'm profitable on it. Yay, go me. It's tough. It's tough. Trading is tough. The morning has been rough. I don't even know what to tell you guys there. But I do know that it does get better. You know, we got a lot of people dropping out, you know, throwing in the towel because, you know, it's rough, man. The market's not easy. If it was easy, everybody would be doing it, and everybody is doing it. The thing is, you know, who's going to survive? You know, it's easy to say, hey, yeah, I want to day trade, but it's not easy to survive. It is tough. I mean, to be honest, if you're not if you're not on your game, you're gonna get screwed. And when you're learning, if you follow the rules, you won't get screwed. Like the number one part about all this crap is emotions. If you can handle your emotions, if you can handle your um what do they call it? Oh shit, I gotta turn off my music so fucking stinking whatchamacallit doesn't give me shit for it. TikTok. No, not TikTok. The other one. Let's see. Where are we still? We're good. We're live there. Cool. All right. There we go. Good morning, Captain. Good morning, guys. Oh, it's been a tough morning. It has. Ugh. Been running around messing with this damn internet and DSS and NYB have been just messing with my emotions. DSS more than anything. DSS took some money from me today. Yeah, I decided again, hey, I'm not going to take a huge loss. I want to go ahead and get this shit right. And yeah, so I'm waiting for NYB or NBY to make it up to my price target here. Currently, I'm up about 26 bucks on it. It says 544, but that's because I've made back some money. So that's what that is. I'm pooped. I have not slept a whole lot, but that's okay. Who needs sleep, right? Um, Besides the internet, I've been messing with my OBS. So what you guys have on the screen now is NBBO. That's what this is. So um, hopefully that'll help us just a little bit. So when you're looking at this, you want your buy-in, your buy-in. You you want your entry to be as close as possible to the bid. Um, and when you're selling, you want to be closer to that ask. So as you can see, we are doing pretty good there so far. And NBY decided to hit. I don't know why my eyes are all screwy. I think I'm having a little bit of a reaction to my medicine actually. But whatever. Who cares, right? I sold 5,000 shares for dirt cheap. Wish I had held. I know, man. I know. I know. It's fucking hindsight, man. Hindsight is 2020, and unfortunately, sometimes it just likes to just screw us. And it's not fair. It really isn't. It's a pain in the oh well shit. Okay, let's see. Maybe this will work. Nope. doesn't make my screen smaller. That makes my widget smaller. Son of a biscuit. Yeah, whatever. Who cares? I don't care. That's what I say to this. I say that. All right, come on now. Get up. Let's go. Let's get my 192, and that's where it's going to be. It's going to be great. So guys, please follow the rules. The rules are, there are no rules. No. Fight Club. No, just kidding. The rules are no crypto, no WhatsApp, no Telegram, no DMs. Remember, I will not do any of that. That's the thing. I gotta make sure that you guys understand that there are a bunch of assholes out there that are literally trying to take advantage of you guys. All right, cool. I'm glad we got through that. Fresca. Freaking 4:48 in the morning. Yeah, I started drinking coffee way too much again, guys. It's because the damn pills are putting me to sleep. So, I'm trying to stay awake. I had one cup. I had one cup and non-decaf, not decaf, regular coffee. For fuck's sake. All right. Okay. Here we go. Let's find some stuff. We're going to go ahead and let this sit and run. Hopefully it does get 192. It has been in a beautiful little channel here, just up and down, up and down, up and down. Hopefully it keeps going. At this point, I could take some of this profit and actually take some profit instead of being negative on this one, right? That would be good. But yeah. Anyways, let's keep looking. I still gotta arrange my stuff here, so I see everybody. So I see TikTok, I see YouTube, I see all that fun, all those fun shenanigans. Shenanigans. It's a fun word to say. All right, let's see. All right, we got that. We got that. That's there. Let's move that there. Okay, maybe not. Let's try it again. There we go. Okay, cool. All right. Good morning, Mel. Thank you for coming on. Tan Master, thank you for coming on YouTube. I appreciate you guys. We are up to 716 subscribers now on the YouTubes. There we go. Come on, NBY. So you guys will notice if I'm watching a stock or if I'm in a stock, I'll have it on my screen. The reason I do that is because I think it's going to move, so I want you guys to be aware of it. Now, I will do my best not to mess with like the watch list and stuff, because that is something that I don't want to do. If people are paying for it, I don't want to screw them with just giving away information. Which has been a little bit of a task, I gotta say, because obviously the watch list recently, the past couple days, has been pretty awesome. The past few days before that, not so awesome. So, anyways, looking pretty good here on NBY. Currently up $56. As you can see, I'm up $32. So you can kind of gather how much I lost on it before, because I'm trying really hard to stick to my rules, and they're working. Good morning, Night Owl. Thank you for coming aboard. I think you know what I'm gonna do. I think I'm gonna do this possibly later today. I'm just gonna do a YouTube. That's it. That's it. I gotta go use the restroom real quick. Hopefully that clears. Do 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 do. Come on, get up there. There's 70. I mean, all we're asking for is another 22 cents. Is that so much to ask? All right. Let's keep on looking here. I've been looking at some charts, quite a bit of them, actually. And today, I mean, hey, it's a Wednesday, it's a hump day. It's a little different. There hasn't been a whole lot of volume pumping on a lot of stocks. Uh, I've been watching TNF. That thing's at like 9 cents. Uh, B BINI. It's very bearish. One that's actually kind of impressed me was KSS. That one did a good job running. That one's up to 1587. It's been hard because my damn internet was in and out, in and out, in and out. So I just decided to unplug everything, leave it off for a good 15 minutes, and then plug it back in. And it looks like it worked because I'm able to get on and do the live stream. So again, just pay attention. KSS is just literally just ripped. Curious why. I haven't looked it up, but we're doing pretty good here on NBY. Let's take a look at KSS. Let's see, which chart do I have you guys on? Is it the single? It's the single. Okay, so let's see. Let's see if you guys like the double. I just changed it up a little bit here. So hopefully you guys like it. Anyways, let's look at KSS over here. So KSS, nice little moves. Nice little moves, 1582. All right. Beautiful bull flag. So what's the news on KSS? Anybody look it up? Nope, nobody did. I will look it up. I'll see what's going on with KSS. KSS currently 22 minutes ago, Kohl's shares jumped more than 15% after big earnings beat. That's what's going on. Big earnings beat. Wow. On Kohl's. Can you believe that? I can't believe it. I'm blown away. All right, let's look at some comments here. Good, 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 good. Good morning, guys. Good morning. How do you guys like this layout? Is this layout cool? Does this look okay? How's the sound? Can you guys see that sign okay? Here's your sign. Can you guys see that sign? Okay, that's important. I want all the jackasses to come in here and try to talk about crypto to see that sign and be like, oh shit, he says no crypto. Yeah. And, it's not like they're smart enough to really do anything about it. KSS, not a real till 23. Not a Rio till 23. I'm not sure I understand that, but we'll go with it. Okay, cool. You're good. You're good. We'll keep looking. NBY coming down right now, 164. Currently profit $20 on that one. We'll see what happens there. We shall see. I like it. I like it a lot. This is looking pretty clean, which is good. Curious how the oh gosh, that's bright. Jesus, that's bright. UCSTSS, remember that one? Captain Brian, I do remember that one. I don't ever want to talk about that one ever again. No. I currently am looking at it. Yes, it's at 1063. Remember, there's been splits. There's been all the shenanigans that the Nasdaq can do has happened with STSS. So far, this is looking pretty amazing, though. NBY. Not bad. Not bad at all. What else we got? Be careful with a lot of these. Ugh. Yesterday, I'm sure you guys noticed, what was it, HKD or HDK or some crap like that. It was some China company. Pump, dump, pump, dump, pump, dump. So I got caught up. I made money on my first trade. My second trade, I fucked up because I accidentally bought more when I was trying to sell. My kid distracted me. And yeah. So instead of just having, 300 shares. I had 600 shares, and I sold 600 shares for a loss because as soon as I tried to sell, which I ended up buying, um, the damn thing decided to dip pretty hard. And I was like, you know what? If this thing is a China stocks, and it is, I'm going to dip out of it because I don't want to take any more of that pain. So I dipped out of it. I actually ended up, man, I can't tell you guys. It's been a rough week for me. This has been shitty. I have the past 4 days I've been red. Hey, take a look at PTNM, as you see it, Captain Brian there. Yep, it's starting to move. 133. Here's PTNM. Pitnum. Pit, Pitanium. The fuck? How do you say it? All right, so here's a 5 minute. Let's look at a 1 minute. 1 minute looks pretty good. Nice, beautiful cup. I'd wait for a pullback. Wait for a pullback to volume weighted average price about 124. I'm gonna go ahead and put that in there. We'll do about, I don't know, 300 shares or something like that. I've been trying to keep in that range. So we'll see if it pulls back to right about there. 123-ish. Does that look right? It's a little, yeah, it's close. 123.5. I'm at 123. 123.5. Okay, we'll just do 124 script. No nickel and dime in here. All right, so we'll see if it fills me here at 124. Fills me 124. I'm going to be looking for about 150. That's without me looking back at the chart and seeing where it's been, where it can go. Oh, yes. She would like that, wouldn't she? We've got fair value gap 182. Shiitake mushrooms. Duh. I want in. Okay, I'm in. I had to move it up a little bit, but look at that. It would have filled me anyway. It's the broker fucking around with me. I know it. I guarantee it. I guarantee it. This is just what happens. The brokers like to jack with people. They're all stars. They want to jack with their all stars. All right. So I said 183, I believe. So we'll just go 177. Why get greedy, right? 177. Let's go ahead and do this. Sell. We'll switch that first right off the bat because we don't want to get screwed on that one again. All right, and here we have NBY and we have PTNM. We'll see which one reaches the target first. But here you got a little cup and handle, and hopefully this handle wants to erupt. What y'all trading today? What's up, Daniel? Hey, what's up, Jerry? Oh, yeah, we got you there. Yep. Good. Okay, looks great. Sounds great. Thank you, Mel. All right, let's see. Can it get it? Can it get that 177? Let's go. That's a good little move right there. Straight up, not bad. Let's keep on going. Both of them running. That'd be great if both of these wanted to run. The cup and handle, to be honest, it probably, it might fizz out after this 139, but we'll see. We're daring today. That is a fair value gap up here. I think it was 183. Right about there. We'll just go ahead and put a little line there and mark it purple. There you go. There's the fair value gap there. All right, we got NBY making a nice little move here, 172, having a little pullback. Let's see if it can get that 192 for me. That'd be fan-freaking-tastic. We're moving in the correct direction now, guys. Ladies and gentlemen, I have to bring to your attention. I gotta do it. Okay, see, coming up. Let's see, and we're gonna move that because you guys don't need to see that shit. All right. Ladies and gentlemen, may I have your attention, please? We have a little bit of a liftoff issue here. We've moved up a good direction there. We've maxed our altitude out at 143. Currently, we're cruising at an altitude of 133, 134. It's a little bumpy. Put your seatbelts on, lock your trays, put them in the upright position. Make sure that your seatbelts are fully fastened. If not, the stewardess will come around and give you a cocktail. Hope everyone's having a safe flight, and we will see you up at 177, 178, maybe 183. We'll see what happens. Hope you guys are enjoying the flight. And again, hit the like, the follow, and the share. Peace. I don't know how that sounded. I hope that sounded good for you guys. That might have been pretty good. We're waiting for this one to make a little move on up to that 177. We're looking for NBY to also make a nice little move up to, I don't know, 192. That's only 20 cents away. A little pullback back down to volume weighted average price here, which is now 129. I'd say 128. Here we go, 174. This one here is a 5-minute chart. Makes it look even better, much prettier than a 1-minute chart. 1-minute charts can get scary. Currently, we're sitting at 174 and 75 on NBY. We're looking for PTNM to make a move. Now, does anybody know what's going on with PTNM? I don't. I'm going to take a look right now. PTNM. PTNM has no news. All right. So this is one of those stocks where you got to be careful. Low float. Is it low float? Let's see. Yeah, very low float. Micro float, 1.75 million. Currently turning 5.2 million in volume, and an average volume is 1 million. So this is somewhat of a move. That's just a momentum move. So just be cautious. Again, profits are profits, or profits are profits, right? Can it get up to 177? Well, let's see. I think we got a new high coming in right now. Come on. Keep on pushing past that 150. There's 152. We got ourselves a new high. Yes, yes, yes. And you guys know I like to just rub it in the faces of the bears.
That was easy.
You know why? Because I have to. It's just, that's how it goes. So now, again, I could take my $70 profit. Maybe it'll be more. Maybe it'll get up to that price target. Maybe I'll be able to hit that take profit button on my my little stream deck here. This is 156, 157. All right, we are up about 30 cents now. And, this thing's ripping. It is ripping. There's my $100. And I've made a rule for myself. Whenever I get to $100, I just go ahead and take it. So there we go, guys. I just took some profit. I don't care if it gets up to 183. I just took some profit. So that's all that matters. So let's go. All right. So we got some profit there. Now, over here on this side, do I think it's going to make it up there? Let's see. Currently, I'm up $40. This one has been a pain in my ass. I am going to say that I'm going to drop this down to about 175. What is that? 173, 175, 174. Oh boy, I don't want it to come down. I don't want it to form a double top. I'm gonna go ahead and take my profit there, $32. I'm out. Boom. Done did it again. Fuck it. Let's make that money. That's all we care about, yeah? We care about making that money. So there we go. We went from a red to a green, and now currently we are good. We're really good. We're happy. Happy, happy, happy. Now we got to find another entry. And yeah, we'll just keep it nice and easy. Keep it nice and easy and just keep moving forward. The problem is with a lot of people is they don't take their profit. And I am Jesus, I broke that rule so many times. I sit there and I look at my price target and I go, oh, it's going to get that price target. It's going to get that price target. It comes within pennies and then comes back down. And I don't take my damn profit. So today I said, fuck it. I'm taking my profit. My rule for today was whenever something hits $100, take your profit. Fuck it. Yep. I think that is a good lesson for a lot of newbies, a lot of people that are just getting into this. Yes, yes, I know. A lot of people would love to see a stock fly. And, once it hits this fair value gap here at 183, They'd love to see it fly up to $3, $4. And if it does, great. I'm not going to sit here and go, damn, I wish I was in it. See, here's another thing. You've got this big top wick here. Sure, you've got some movement here. But what if, just what if this says, skirt, skirt here at 166, and then drops back down? Now I just gave back all my profit. You don't want to do that. That's not fun. Guys, hit the like, the follow, and the share. We are doing some live trading here. As you guys have noticed, it's been kind of fun so far. The market has been a little choppy, very finicky, and I think it's going to go right now. Come on. Don't you triple top right there. You go. Damn it. You just go. Beautiful little cup and handle pattern here, if you guys noticed. Yeah, here, let me help you guys see that pattern. Where's my little thing? It's here somewhere. Oh, there it is. All right. Here's the little pattern right here. So you got your cup, you got your handle, and then you got your move. All right. You're going to have a little bit of a resistance right there. It's going to trade sideways. And then because I love you guys, I'm hoping it moves up to that fair value gap right there. All right. So that's what we're thinking. Let's go ahead and clear that now. Oh man, the stream has come so far. It has come so far from where it used to be. Nice, Captain. Good job. That's what I'm talking. That's what I'm talking about right there. See, that is what's called scalping. And we're here to frickin' scalp. We're not here to hold this for fucking days. The problem with a lot of people is we sit here, we watch these stocks run, and we miss out on some really nice scalps because we're waiting for a bigger move. And we're scalpers. We're not here to sit and hold these bags, right? You know, that's what I'm saying. We don't want to hold bags. We want to scalp. We want to get in, out, and that's it. You know? So if you got friends, family, or what have you that have problems with bag holding, you know, send them my way. Let's hang out. There we go. Look at that. NBY. Let's see. Is it going to get it? Is it going to go? It's already hit price targets on the watch list, so that's pretty awesome. Yeah. Oh, yeah, we're doing good. Look at that. 169 and then taking a break back. Let's see if it gets back down to volume weighted average price, or does it stop right here? What is that? That is 149. 177 on NBY. There we go, Mel. 124 to 161. Beautiful. Good job, Mel. That's what I'm talking about. See, that's what we're doing. That's what makes this shit fun. What am I looking at? I'm looking at penny stocks. Looking at penny stocks. I've got a bunch of them on my screen. And be careful with INHD if you guys are looking at that one. I believe that one's a dilution. They just filed a 424B5. Or was it a 424B3? I think it was a 424B3. Look it up real quick before I get myself in trouble here. INHD, it was a 424B5. They filed 23 hours ago. That means some dilution there. Oh, look at that. And just like I said, PTNM back down to 149. We got MBY at 76. Man, that if I didn't pull out of that thing, I would have made some nice cash there. Man, oh man. See? Right now, looking at PTNM, I'm happy. I pulled my money out. I made money. Yay, go me. Yeah. All right. And I just want to say,
guys, I'll be very cautious on PTNM. It just broke down like it wanted to take your lunch money and your mom's boyfriend's lunch money. So, currently it's at its last hope. This is 136. 136 looks like its last area of support before it comes back down. Actually, the last area of support is probably ending in 24, but if it gets down there, and we're looking at 30 grand. We're looking like, yeah, that might be pretty sketchy. So be careful. Take profits on the way up, not on the way down. Worst way of take profits is on the way down because you start getting emotional. Look at all that volume they just pumped out of it. 477,000, 657,000, 975,000, and 608,000 so far. That is all sells pressure that the MACD has turned on you. It has got 3 bars. So again, if it does not find support here, she's coming down. She'll probably find some support about 120.
Yep, we have made this a little bit more entertaining. We have. It's been a good move. It's been a good move. Let's see. Did PTNM do anything recently? Again, let's see. Nope, not a thing. What about NBY? I can't remember jack shit because I don't sleep enough to have memories. NBY, 15 hours ago, they've got a. Mm, Hmm. Oh, I'm so sleepy. All right. Well, we won't worry about that. We'll just keep looking for stuff that's moving. Yep, AZTR. Yeah, you called that one. Yeah, 129. Currently sitting at 129 AZTR. Let's take a look at that one. This one, like I said, look at that. Where did it come down so far? 131, 130. Yep, there you go. That's why we take our profits nice and quick. You see the move, you see the momentum, you are in it. AZTR 129, 120 and 129. You got to wait for a pullback. There is no pullback here yet. This is all just boom, 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 boom. Lots of volume. Holy shit, 1 million. Beautiful. Float only 3.51 million shares. Average volume is 978. It's already at 5.2, so it's almost it's almost destroyed that average volume. So the relative volume is nice and high there. Let me look at some comments here. NVO, NVIO. The streams are more funny for sure. We lost the music but gained Optimus Prime and Captain Sully. Yeah, that's right. That's what you got. Look at that. NBY 181. Let's go. Man, for sure. I bailed on that one just a little early, but again, I've had a morning, so I'm just I'm trying to keep it together here. So far looking amazing. And if you got that watch list, you'd be happy with that one. That watch list did pretty good on NBY. Currently, its last target 3 pennies away. So I don't talk about the watch list on here much, other than to let you guys know that it's pretty kick ass. And it was good yesterday. It was good the day before. The 3 days past that, before that, I don't know, man. The market went through something. It's definitely having some issues. Come on, get it. I mean, so close. So AZTR, as you can see, it's pulling back to that volume weighted average price 126, 127, right around there. Now, the volume's great. We'll see what's going on here. We got the MACD on the other side of this hill here, but I think I'm gonna go ahead and do it. I don't know. Just call me nuts. Call me Shirley or whatever you want to call me. All right, I'm in. No, I'm not in yet. Never mind. I'm almost in. It didn't buy me in. Not yet. We'll see what happens. All right, looks like it bought me in. Now let's see what it does. Is it going to take my money or is it going to give me money? Again, wait for that pullback, right? Hey, that bought me in a little high. What the shit? 133. Whatever. Whatever. If this is a true run, a true movement in the correct direction here, then she'll reverse and she'll go up. Let's see what we got here on the 30-minute. Currently down a little bit money there. Oh, nice. Okay. Yeah, let's say 133, 166. Why not? Let's go 166. Let's see if she wants to get up there. That's not a bad spot. That's 173 is the high there. And let's see if she starts turning around here for me. I'm going to go ahead and see if there's any fair value gaps in the vicinity. Nope, nothing. But she is just hanging around that 120. Well, look at that, 125. Sheesh, what happened there? Oh, there's a fair value gap, but that is so far away. I don't know. I don't even know if that'll possibly. I mean, if it'll entertain even just a little bit, that'd be great. But I'll go ahead and mark it with a purple on the fair value gap here on uh, on that one. Currently, it is sitting right around that 127, which is right before this nasty. Look at this. There's a lot of resistance right there. I guess I should probably take you guys off the lessons one so you guys can see a little better. Maybe, possibly, currently, maybe that one. I don't know if that helps. Here comes 182. Here comes 183 on NBY. Here it comes. There's 182, 183, and 184. And we have our, come on, get it. We're at 184. We're at 184. I'm going to go ahead and just say screw it. We're going to get it. We're going to get 185. Let's just do it. 185. Come on. Come on. Come on. All right. I jumped from this one to that one, and I didn't even realize this one was kind of not doing jack shit for me. Currently down 30 bucks. What the hell? All right. We're just going to sit here and patiently watch as this thing doesn't do what I want it to. No, just kidding. It'll do it. It'll do it. It's holding up with the volume weighted average price pretty good there. It is hopefully going to stop the bearish movement there at volume weighted average price. That's its pullback. Hopefully it wants to go ahead and make its move on up now to that 166. We're still at 184 here on NBY. Man, literally, if it one pennies me, I'm gonna scream. I mean, I can't scream because it's early and my wife and kid sleeping. So, but fun times, huh, guys? Fun times. Good morning, Sapporo. All right, there we go. We are now in profit on AZTR. Just a little bit. We were. All right, it's just got to break this, and we got our 166. That's just the feeling I have deep inside. Come on, get up there. I can't believe NBY did that to me again. I hate it when I call it a price target and it literally one pennies me. Hey, thank you, Easy Tweak. Thank you for the goats and the GG. Appreciate that. Very kind of you, sir. Very kind of you. All right, so here we go. We got our hammer. This was a little downtrend. We got our confirmation candle, and now we should see an upside to this stock. There you go. There's a little bit of upside. That is pretty easy to read. Again, if you just go to my website, go into Learning Center, you will see the formation of a hammer candlestick. It's under candlestick patterns. So you got your little downtrend here, you've got your support right here, you've got your hammer here, you've got your confirmation candle here, and then hopefully a little bit more movement. So that is a hammer candle and how it is played. So hopefully we get to see that 66. I might even drop it to 62. I don't know. There's pretty much $100. And see, been doing it long enough, you can kind of put it together where it's going to be $100. But you gotta wait for it. I'm there at 138. You're in here at 138, or you're in NBY at 138. Which one? What's the hour on AZT? Things are moving too fast. So we don't like this candle. This candle usually isn't a good candle. This candle usually says it's going to come right back down. Hopefully it finds more support here at volume weighted average price. It's not showing me a whole lot of, oh yeah, oh baby, oh baby, oh baby. It's not showing me that stuff currently at this point right here, because that wasn't a big enough move. Now, if this is a nice big green candle, then that's great, but it's not really showing me. They're showing me that it's fighting a lot right here. There's a lot of battling going on over here. This is hopefully not double topping me there. Might be double topping me. So you got one top, you got your second top. I'd love for it just to bounce off this volume weighted average price and go for that little move. Come on, let's get to that finish line, baby. Let's go. All right, Captain. I don't know. Oh, what's our out on AZTR? Well, I got my stuff set at 166. The thing of the matter is that this isn't showing me a whole lot of strength right here. It is staying above volume weighted average price. That's great. Bulls are sort of kind of in control. MACD is showing me a different story currently. So I might take that 166 back down. Maybe just take a couple pennies there just so I'm green instead of red. Let's see what the bulls want to do here. Volume still good, 953,000 shares. Oh yeah, there we go. There we go, 1.2 million. There we go. Come on, break on through. Go, go, go. More bulls, more bulls. More bulls pulling it up. 143. Let's go. Keep on pulling it up. Keep on pulling it up. Go, 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 go. Go, 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 go. There's 144. All right. Volume still pumping good. 676. Oh man. I'm gonna take this to 147. I'm taking it to 147. There's 147. That's where I'm gonna put it. Hopefully it just wants to hit it nice and easy. And we get to hit our take profit here soon. 145. Come on. Let's go. There's 146. Come on, get that 147, you dirty dog. No. No. Come on. Quick burst of energy here. Get up there. You guys got to talk to it. You guys got to hit the like, the follow, and the share. There's 145. 145. Come on. Let's go. And 146, 147. Oh, man. It needs to get 148 for it to clear me out. Get up there. Nope. 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 Showing some weakness. Don't care. Gonna take it. My profit is my profit is my profit. Get up there. Oh, Jesus Christ almighty. Look at that. What a little turkey. That is a pain in my ass. Right there. That is a pain in my ass. I said 147. It hit 147. All right. So we got up, down, up, down, up, down, up. All right. Let's just wait. Let's just wait. I'm just going to wait. See, this is what I say about chasing it down now. You got this little candle here that I don't like. This thing's hopefully going to just pump up just enough to get me out of there. 145, 143, 143, 144. Come on. Come on. One more. There we go. And a little more. Can we see a little more? Come. Come on. And we are out. Okay, cool. All right, good. We can go ahead and do that. All right, so now we just made quick little profit. Nothing crazy, right? Nothing crazy. But again, you got NBY here, double topped you at 184. So like literally 1 penny away from my third take profit on the watch list. Here, there's no, I mean, wait, what is the news on it? I didn't look that up because I was looking at PTNM. Damn shit. AZTR. What was the news? 17 minutes ago, announces first patient doses in phase Half trial for ATR program. Okay, well, all right. Well, how much is it real news or is it like just news? That's the problem. You got these places. Fundamental fun day. Yeah. Oh man, I'm telling you, it's I got fooled this morning and currently it's working out. I've come back from the dead, but I mean, it's a lot of work for, not much. Now on NBY here, uh, if it doesn't recover here, if it can't break back up over 175, I'll lay that 149. Come on. Remember, I was at 166. Let's see if it gets it. If NBY can't recover here and it can't get over 175, it could be doing a head and shoulder pattern and could probably come back down to 159. There's 150. Yeah, this was scaring me because of a double top kind of pattern. It wasn't looking very healthy. Very, very low on that MACD. Look at that MACD. Very small. The volume's pumping, but the MACD looks very small. Can it get 166? Sure. But am I willing to take that risk with with the way that I'm gauging my accounts? Oh, God. I don't choose to take that risk. Not today. Not today. Today's different. All right, what else we got moving here? AZTR, we got that. PTNM. See, PTNM. I'm glad I took my profit. Look at PTNM. Show you right now. PTNM. Look at that. Am I glad I took my profit? Fuck yeah, I am. Come on now. You know, not bad at all. Fred Flintstone. Check out up. Let's take a look at up. See it, and again on this, it is looking like it's doing a head and shoulders pattern. Shoulder, head, shoulder, and probably coming back down to here. So glad I took my profit on that one. Jeez. AZTR 52. Is it going to get 66? Remember, 66 was my target. Let's see if it happens. All right, and what up? You said up. See, you said up, but up is not showing up on any of my stuff. So I wonder why you said up. Oh, it's because it's got no volume. That's why. 604 million float. At its current volume is 214,000. Average volume is 2.52 million on a float of 604 million shares. Okay. Whatever y'all say. I'll be there for you. I'll be there for you. Damn, it dropped? What? How did it drop? What the frick? Sorry, just checking out something. Yeah, my predictions, they dropped. I was literally in there today at what was it 74.95, something like that. Be careful on AZTR. They do have a 424B3 filed a month ago for up to 2,245,968 shares of common stock and underlying warrants. $1.20. However, we may receive aggregate gross proceeds of up to approximately 120. Oh, 1.2 million dollars. Got it. Okay, that not 120. Oh, here it is. 23. There's a lot of shit to read. God, I hate these filings. That's the problem. Filings are just, there's so much to read. Volume coming up. All right. You're right. It's at 218,000 now as opposed to 216,000. You're right. 100%. Thanks, Jay. I love trading live with you. Hey, Mel. Thank you. I appreciate you saying that. I've been getting a lot of grief recently. It's getting a little rough. I've had some cancellations. I can't put my finger on it. Maybe I'm giving away too much on the lives, so I might have to scale those back some. I think that's what it might be going on there. I don't know. I might just have to scale back to maybe just doing lives with Discord members. Captain Brian, I'm with Fred. Nice, you guys make a cute couple. I'm just kidding. Just kidding. Fred Flintstone and Captain Brian are excited about Up. All right. You guys are excited about Up. Hey, with a name like Up, it should only be going up. Like, remember we were looking at caps, and caps kicked my ass. Well, it was capped. I should have read into it, you know? So, there we go. All right. Let's keep on looking, keep on searching here, because slim pickings today, guys. Very slim pickings. Slim pickings. All right. Let's see. Volume's good. Mm. All right. NBY coming back up. 179. Let's see it hit that 185 now, for fuck's sake. Come on, baby. That was a nice little retracement back to 167. Now it's back at 180. There's, 13 cents right there. Nice and easy. And it's doing a good job staying up above volume weighted average price. It's giving you a good little cushion. Only thing I would be careful about is if this is a double top. That's the only thing. Double tops have been doing stuff that just does not work. Discord lives for the win. Just do free lives like 2 days a week to get more members. I like that, Dylan. That might be a thing. Cute pair, Stinky Pinky. What's up, man? Oh, I love it. You're saying that Fred and Captain are cute pair. I was joking. They're not together. They're together in thought on a stock. On this one here. Volume's coming up. Yeah, you're right. You're right. Look at that. It's gone up 1,000 shares since we talked about the volume going up. I'm sorry, guys, but look, here, look, the proof is in the pudding, and the pudding is not proving me anything except for that the MACD is bright red, the RSI is below 50, and your trend was nice and up. Currently bounced off the volume weighted average price, which is cool, but you need more volume, and 1,000 shares at a time isn't gonna do it. That's all. That's all I'm saying. That's it. Proof is in the tapioca. Yes, it is. It drops below volume weighted average price, it's in trouble. Now, unless you guys have some information that we are not aware of, but yeah, you know. Mhm. Mhm, 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 mhm. It is coming. 24 million yesterday. Wow. Are you kidding me? It did 24 million shares on a free float of 604 million? That's enormous. Hope you're catching my sarcasm there. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. The market's been rough. I'm sad today. Oh, look, volume came in. Look, now we're up two more thousand shares. And it bounced off a volume weighted average price beautifully. 310. 310. Look at this. So Okay, so this is another learning lesson. Okay. So you got support, which is your volume weighted average price. You've got your little doji looking candle here, and you've got your confirmation candle. So cool, good. All right, finally showing a little bit of strength. It'd be great if it followed with a bunch of volume. Your RSI is slowly coming up. It's at 55 now. Your volume weighted average price is at 313. It's at 319. Again, it's going to take a lot of volume to move this thing when market opens. So hopefully, hopefully you guys are, just following your rules. And when you're a momentum trader, there's a lot of rules. All right, AZTR coming back up. AZTR, let's take a look at that one again. Boop, there it is. Volume, look at this. Look at this. Okay, hammer. Little bit of a confirmation candle, big confirmation candle, good movement there. Let's see if it can break 148. If it can break 148, you'll have a new high. Yeah, one bottom, two bottoms off of support. So that's cool. I don't know. I don't know where it can go. Where can this one go? Did we look at it? Oh yeah, that's right. 166. That's what I called out on it. I'm gonna put a thing there because I keep forgetting. I'm tired. I'm getting older, All right, so that's my price target on that one, 166. Man, I'm digging the layout here on the two charts. I am. So you got your NBBO over here to the right. I had to move stuff around to get it to fit. I don't know how it comes through on your guys' side, but it's looking pretty good. I don't feel good. Oh, man. Ugh. I do not feel good. Using OBS? Yes, sir, I am using OBS. I am using OBS. I'm trying to make this look better and better and better. And unfortunately, sometimes it just takes forever to get stuff set up. All right, let's just change the script here real quick. Let's see. I'm trying to look for stocks that are doing a really good job at holding volume. Like right now, you got FLNT. It's moving a little bit. FLNT, like Flint. I don't know why it's moving, but it's trying, and it's got a good chance of getting up to that 316 FLNT. It did hit 290 FLNT. Its free float's 10.92 million. It's already done 1.97 million. Average volumes looking, yeah, there's your breakout. Let's do 100 shares just for shits and giggles. All right, let's see. Did it get me in? It didn't. All right, so I'm going to put this over here, about 314, create and sell. There you go, sell. And it's not much. I know. I'm literally just, my strategy is sticking to the game plan today. The game plan is breakouts and, your price targets, that kind of thing. $3 is it's a what's it called? Psychological area of resistance. Got a beautiful cup here. We're up just like that. We're up like $4, $5. Again, haven't sold yet, so it's probably going to come down just a little bit more. Maybe down to volume weighted average price 273, or it's just going to go. I don't know. The market's been definitely shocking me. It's been shock and awe, baby. Shock and awe. So I'd love to get 10% on this, which would be about $28. Currently, we're up 9, we're up 7, 8, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah, so the volume's coming in. As you can see here on the MACD's looking good. The volume's nice and green volume, cool. Again, I might just say screw it. I might take this down, but right now we're sitting at about $11. That's cool. 13 bucks. There's 97. Is $3 going to be its psychological area of resistance? Is it going to resist? There's $3. There's 302. Let's see. Is it going to get my 316? Or I'm sorry, 314? Very much could. I'm already up $20. I'm going to drop that down. And I believe 305 was roughly about $20. So we're going to go ahead and hit that. And hopefully it wants to get there again, so we can go ahead and take our profit. Hit 306. That's what it hit. Hit 306. There's 307. We take the profit again. Nice and easy, guys. That was literally a cakewalk. That was a cakewalk. Beautiful chart. Okay, caught it on the breakout. Literally took me 2 seconds to say, okay, I'm in. I bought 100 shares. I'm going to stick to my rules. I took my 10%, and that's it. That's it. Y'all have a good day. I'll keep an eye out for Discord alerts, but time to go make money the hard way. Sorry, dude. You know what's funny? I gotta tell you this, Dylan, before you go. My brother, my brother, he's awesome. He does a good job doing what he does. And I told him what I do, and he goes, "Oh," he says, "Well, all right. Well, I gotta go. I gotta go to my real job now." I'm like, "What? Fuck you." Your real job? This is my real job. This is all right. Yes, I may have more fun than you, but this is my real job. All right. So there you go. So that you guys literally just saw 3 positive trades, nice and easy, no fuss, no muss. Volume increased. MACD looked strong. Approached a area of resistance, and I marked my previous area of resistance, and watch, it's gonna hit it. It's gonna hit it right now. I'm doing a 3-bar play. Come on now. 3-bar play. You got your green, red. This one's gonna be green, and it's gonna hit my target here. There you go. There you go. Come on, baby. Get that 316, and we are very close. 309. 309. Big jump here. Come on. 3-bar play. Nice and tall. Let's go. Come on. No slacking now. No slacking. Sorry, it fell off chart, or fell off the screen there. It came close. What did it get? What was that? Was that 312? That was 312. Target's 316. I mean, come on now. Right? So there you go. What are we trading? Currently, we're watching FLNT do its thing. It's got some news. Fluent expands data intelligence with Databrick partnership. Cool. Partnership news. All right. Again, I'm very happy I took my profit. Don't care what it does from now on, other than I'm going to watch it, because it could give me another possibility of finding another way in here and scalping another couple bucks. That last one, I think I got about 10% on my money there. So, whatever. That's cool. In markets like we've had recently, if you want to survive, yeah, IXHL, that one kicked my ass. That one I should have actually taken profit, and I didn't, because I was thinking I was going to hold it for swing play. Yeah. Nope. IXHL. There we go. IXHL. Yeah, it dropped down. So it was on a rise for the past 5 days, and then recently, yesterday, it decided to say, no, you know what? I'm going to take a break. Okay. Well, that sucks. This was yesterday. This was the break it took. Yeah. So I ended up selling. I took a small loss on it. Again, look at this. Do you guys see what I'm talking about? So this, if you pay attention to the MACD's gotten real small. Your RSI's just, what is it, 61 currently on FLNT, back down to volume weighted average price. If you watch these indicators, it might give you an idea of a possible entry. It might give you an idea where this is going to stop. This is a 5-minute. Oops, sorry, I wasn't clicked on it. There you go. This is a 1-minute chart. Broke down through volume weighted average price. Where's it going to go? Its supports right about here. That's one of its supports. Its next support's going to be right about here, about 262. So if you're convinced that this thing is looking pretty good, and if you're convinced that it is trading within a channel, then you're going to look at this trend line here and see if it bounces off. That could be a possible entry, but your MACD is turning red. So you got to pay attention to your MACD. You got to pay attention to your volume. How's the volume? We're at 581, 5.81 million. At 282. Where was it when we entered? Well, we entered right around that price, and it ran to 312. So could it be a possible entry because that's your support? Maybe. You got to look at those things. Those are the things you got to look at. That's what's going to help you um, basically get through these crazy, crazy days that we've had with stocks recently. It's good and it's bad. It's good and it's bad. Ah. All right. Hey, good morning, Nate. Nate. What's up, Nate Twisted? NATO Twisted. NATO Twisted. All right, guys, if you haven't yet, go to Jrockstocks on YouTube. Hit the like, the follow, and the share. Smash that bell. Hey, it's Cree. What's up, Cree? She has been a busy woman recently. Yep. MBRX. MBRX. Is it on anything? Yep, it's up. So it's a 29 million free float. Currently it's at 3.4 million at 71 cents. All right, let's see. MBRX. Nice. All right, first pullback. This is a 1 minute chart. Let's see where it can go. If I've already marked it, I'm sure I have because MBRX was on. Maybe I didn't mark it, but it was on a watch list the other day. All right, let's see. 92 cents. I'm going to say price target is probably going to be somewhere around 88. Yep, somewhere around 88, maybe 90. You know what? Fuck it. Let's say 92 cents. Let's just be, what are they called? Glasses half full kind of guy. Let's go 92 cents. Yeah, it breaks 92 cents. Possibilities of it getting up to 118 are pretty good. I'd say probably closer to 117 instead of that 118. So we're going to go at, whoa, gosh. Oh, fingers, fingers, fingers. Let's chill out. There we go. All right. So your first pullback was right there. So now you're looking for your second pullback, which will probably take you back to 68 cents. 68 cents to 91. So you're looking at a decent little profit there. If it happens. Yep, I never hold overnight. Don't do it. Every time I hold overnight, I don't know whether it's me just putting it out there into the world, but it's always like, oh God, okay, all right. Unless I have, and you guys, honestly, like STSS was good. It was good. There was, and it's all about your method, how you guys trade in and out, or what you're doing. Like just buying and holding for a long period of time. Sure. There you go. There's your pullback, your second one right here. Let's see if it's going to hold it. I think it is. I think it looks decent there. Let's see if it'll buy me in. Move it up a little bit. Move it up a little bit. Let's see. Let's see. Is it going to continue to move? All right. So again, we're looking for somewhere around, we'll say, screw it. We'll say 87. Again, not looking for anything crazy. What does it sell? Not making the same mistake I made yesterday where I didn't sell, but I bought more shares. That really screwed me on HKDY or HYKD or whatever the hell it was called. All right, let's see if this thing wants to do a 3-bar play here off of volume weighted average price. Keep on pushing their bulls. MACD's looking all right. RSI is at 73. Cool. Not bad. Let's go. Get up there. Come on. Keep on pushing. There's 10. There's 10. $10 there. There's 73 cents. It already hit 74, so we're looking for a new high. Come on, give me a new high. Quick scalps, quick scalps. Let's go. All right, so I bought what? So $21. Wouldn't $21 be about 10% there? 70 cents. I bought 300, so it cost me $210. Right? Something like that. Come on, get up there. All right, let's keep on looking here. Whilst that's messing around with my emotions, not much, because again, I'm not in it crazy, so, and I mean, it doesn't have $1 to drop, so come on, get up, break on through 73.97. So we bought it right at the pretty much volume weighted average price. We're in at 70, volume weighted average price is at 69.80. So hopefully we get to see a nice little move here off of volume weighted average price. All we're looking for here is about 17 cents from where I'm at. Carlos, what's up, Carlos? Good morning. DEVS. I don't see it popping up anywhere, so it's probably not a momentum stock. Let's put devs up here. Let's not look at IXHL. DEVS. Let's see what we got here. So good, solid move. This one's breaking down. Eesh, it just broke down. Broke volume weighted average price. MACD's not looking so hot. RSI is heading down towards the 50s, the low 50s. Currently it's at 58. Yep, breaking down. Look at that. Hopefully it finds support right here at 64 cents. That would be great. What just happened? That's 1,000,000 shares that are traded right there. That's normal. What just happened? Hopefully it sucks right back up. All right. So devs down, up, down. All right. So it looks like it could be starting a little bit of a pattern here. So you got boom, boom. Yeah, you got this one here. You can just literally take all the way down here. So you got a little bit of a wedge. Damn, that's cost me more than I wanted to spend on it. Aw, what a jerk. Is it going to come all the way back down? Let's see. What's it going to do? Did it just have bad news come out or something? What the shit's going on here? Where's my news? Where's my news? I bet you it just pulled some shit news or something. Oh, it's 5:55 a.m. All right, so the market maker assholes are going to be fricking around with it. Well, where's my news? Oh, there it is. Okay. What is that one? That one is MBRX. I wonder if MBRX is on my list of don't touch stocks. 10 minutes ago, they did a. Oh, they got molecular survival data. A new positive AML overall survival data. Okay, so it's got good news, but it's taking a shit. Natural sign of progression, I guess. Look at it go. Can you guys believe that shit? It's got good news, supposedly. Supposedly. I still got to get through all this. I'm going to ask for ChatGPT to just give me a synopsis of this thing. Because that sucks. Do you guys see how fast that dropped down? Do you see that? Oh shit, it's still going. Oh, fuck that. Drop 10, acute leukemia, remission, 15 months, standard 4 to 6 million, I don't care. Why this matters, fundamental catalyst, just, fuck, man, this is, This thing's fucking eating me up. Look at that. It even dropped lower than it was. What the shit is going on here? Wow, is it doing an offering? Is it splitting? No, it has good fucking news. What the hell is that? Oh, come on, man. Float, but still, yeah, it's squeezable, definitely squeezable. Well, it was above VWAP. Survival data, no cardiotoxicity in phase 3 already underway from a trading standpoint. Scalp catalyst with legs, don't marry it long term, but tradable. Well, we'll see. Hopefully it'll come back up here because that was a shit show. Literally gave back all the profits that it had gained there. And again, this is why we scalp. You guys see that? Do you guys understand now? That is exactly why you scalp. Because this shit is no joke. It literally fucking ran nicely. Showed good signs on the MACD there. Until it didn't. And currently it didn't. So let's see if it wants to get back to volume weighted average price. It's down 20 cents from where I bought in. So currently down $62 on it. It literally has flipped me just by a couple dollars to red for the day. What in the fuck is going on with the market? Hopefully it comes back. Whatever. Well, we'll see. It's got good volume. It's a free float of 29 million. It has good news. Yep. Oh well. This is just the kind of shit that happens, guys. The shenanigans are real. The shenanigans are fucking real. Where's this been? Like, look at this shit. Look at this shit. Currently, it's at 50 cents. It has not been that low for a long time. So what's going on? Is this just the market makers fucking with us? What's going on? Hasn't been that low for a long time. Look at it. The lowest it's been here is at 53.27. It's currently at 51. Sure, over here it's been at 47, but that's a long time ago. That's back in that's July. That's in July. This is ridiculous. Why would you have good news and then do that? Unless they're going to be doing an offering or something else. They are currently under the bid price. Damn, it hit 49. Woo. Man, talk about making your butthole pucker. Look at that. Look at 62 bucks down. Only reason I'm holding on to it now at this point is because we're closer to market open. We're about 30 minutes away. I'll lose 100 bucks on this one before I sell it. That's it. It might even come to that. This thing is looking like a piece of shit. So again, you guys hear the anger in my voice? It's because the market's fucked up. This is a fucked up market right now. This is bullshit. Okay, this is just somebody playing with it. Not a retail trader, but somebody big is playing with it. That news that they pumped out might have been just to pump it to there, just to dump it. So let's see. Did they have an offering anytime? Oh, sure they do. They got a 424B4. They got a 424B4 filed 2 months ago. JC team announced participating. Yep, got that. Got that. Receives grant. Cool. There's their 8K. Ah, you little fuckers. That's 15 minutes ago they put out an 8K. That's what fucking dropped it. Gosh darn guaranteed. Almost guaranteed. Nothing's guaranteed in the stock market. Nothing. See what we get here. We'll see. We'll see. We'll see. We'll see. All right, so far it's coming up a little bit, 51.77. I'm down $56. Nothing crazy. But see, the problem that I have, and I need to get better at this, is I just keep saying, it's just $54. Who cares? It doesn't matter. Oh, it's just $600. It doesn't matter. What fucking matters? $50 is $50 is $50 is $50. It's the same worth as a dollar. In my opinion, it's either winning or losing, and there is no other direction. There is no participation trophy in stocks. All there is winning and losing, money exchanging hands. You do get to learn some stuff, but that's about it. Now they have legal ammo to raise cash through offerings. Yes, they do. Fucking assholes. Bottom line, today's tip is fueled by bullish ammo, but don't ignore the K dilution card molecule. Molecule just gave itself the firepower to dump shares. This did swing. All right. Yeah, be careful, guys. Be careful with this thing. This thing is looking to dilute. Huh. Should have taken my $10 profit, shouldn't I? Shouldn't I have? Right? Look at this ugly fucking chart. That is ugly. That is fugly, guys. That is as ugly as they come. So, when we're looking at something like this and we're thinking, oh, well, maybe it'll come back. Yeah, but what if it doesn't? What if it dumps all the way? What if it says fuck you and goes down to 30 cents? Or even worse, 20 cents? It found some support at 48.21, but it's been lower than that. So that's not really finding shit. This thing pumped and dumped, and people that are holding the bag are sitting there going, "What the fuck just happened?" I think AZTR was 166. They have their dilution card. All right, they put out good news. They filed a share authorization increase uh, effective August 21st. Uh, let's see. To raise the number of authorized common shares from 100 million to 500 million. They're 5xing their fucking assholes. Same 8K also bundled a press release about the AML survival data you saw. Fucking bullshit. This is what happened. That's what it is. Do you guys understand now? That is what it is. Abu Adam, I am down 450 down on it. Shit. That sucks, man. Sorry. The news came out on literally 15 minutes ago on this piece of shit. And yeah, it was disguised by, hey, good survival data. Good survival data. But the AK also shows that there's some problems in there. They're adding another 400 million shares. That's what they're going to be adding. Hmm. No, that is bullshit. MRKR did the same thing to me yesterday. Yeah, that is, and I'm gonna keep saying it. The Nasdaq it's just a cesspool of fucktards. That's what it is. It's a cesspool of fucktards. And I've been getting more and more irritated about this shit. And the reason I get more and more irritated about this shit because it shouldn't be allowed. Like, don't fucking sugarcoat something. Be straightforward. Tell us, hey, the stock, we're going to go ahead and we're going to issue 400 million more shares. That's it. Instead of the 100 million we were talking about, we're going to make it 500 million. Oh, okay. Sure. And, different people have money to pay for different services, meaning faster news. Some people don't have that. They don't have that privilege. So they sit here and wait. But I'll tell you guys on this one, I don't see it coming back. I'm not feeling it. So I hate to say it because I don't like to lose. But I'm going to take this down. Fucking hell. I don't even want to take that loss, but fucking hell. There's 52. Yeah, fuck it. I'm out. No, I'm not out yet. Jesus Christ, it didn't sell me. That's cool. Whatever. There, now it sold me. Yay! Fuck you, Bears, you fucking
That was not
bastards.
nice and easy.
I fucking hate the Bears. Oh my god, I fucking hate the Bears so bad. But yeah, there it is. So God giveth and God taketh away. Oh man, MBRX. What a fucking joke. All right, let's find something else. Maybe we can make some money back on. MBY, there we go. MBY hit 187. So there you go. MBY just hit the price target. NBY. There it is, 187. That was the price target on the watch list as the third take profit. So that's another victory there. So that's awesome. MBRX can go, take a long walk on a short pier. Sorry, guys. That fucking shouldn't even called that fucking thing out. But it happens. The market's just a sort of a mess. What else we got here? It was looking good. It was until it wasn't. So now, instead of being up, I'm fucking down $12. God damn it. Oh man, I am having a bad week. I'm having a bad week. Let's get this ugly thing off my damn screen. I don't even want to look at it. T, where's FLNT? All right, nice little double saggy. Look at this saggy booby pattern. Getting back to volume weighted average price. This is FLNT. Currently 12.75 million shares traded. An average of wow, it's moving. So that's good. $2.83 currently. I'd say don't touch it unless it's above volume weighted average price. So what it's probably going to do is a saggy booby pattern here. Let's go ahead and just mark this here for you guys real quick. So there is your, ooh, hang on a second. That could be a possible neckline for a inverted, for a standard head and shoulder pattern. Shoulder, head, shoulder. Yeah, that looks like it. It's probably going to come back down to 249. Come on, a little more. There we go. So it's probably going to come back down to here. It's going to break this, come down here. That's on that one. Oh. What am I missing? What am I missing? Let's see. I almost quit a few days ago. Same thing. You almost quit a few days ago? Look, I understand. It's frustrating. It's a frustrating game. It's a frustrating game that we play every day. And every day you do get better. Even though you lose money, you get better. Now, however much money you lost trading, think of it as you paying your damn tuition. Okay? You don't want to pay your tuition and then not get the knowledge that you're supposedly getting, you know? And there you go. There's 275 on FLNT. Let's see if it comes down. Let's see if there's 272. Yep. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. I gotta find something. I'm looking, guys. I just don't see much. FLNT 169 or 269. Oh, SKBL. SKBL. Pumped up to 88 cents, down to 63 currently. SKBL. Let's see where that goes. Let's go here. SKBL. All right. So currently it's doing good volume. You're looking for a break of volume weighted average price, 67 cents. Moving nicely, starting to flip. Nice little reversal here. MACD's still red. I'd wait for that thing to give you solid confirmation that it is moving on the way up. Damn it, I gotta pee. I'll be right back. Oh, man. Should I just put coffee break? Oh, there it is right there. There's volume weighted average price. All right. 66 cents. Let's go. We can do a couple shares here. Come on, break on through. 67, 67, 67. There it is. All right, go on, get me in. I don't want to chase you. Just buy me in. There we go. Okay, so now we're in about 300 shares. We're not going to be looking for much. Again, it's a scalp. We got screwed on the last one. Let's play it safe on this one. So there we go. There's 70 cents. Let's see if it can break through 74 cents. This is SKBL. Volume started coming in nicely. Looks like it's about to flip the MACD. MACD is looking like it's about to cross. I'm going to say, let's say 84 cents here. Let's just put that there. Let it sit. Let's see what happens. I'm going to go use the restroom. I'll be right back. I'm not worried. I don't care. Where are we at here? We're still green. There we go. She's trying to make it back over that hump. Let's see if she does it. Nice little move. It's still bullish, so that's good. The MACD's trying to turn. Let's check something out though. I haven't looked at the 30-minute here at all on this. Oh wow, look at that. Look at that. Where did I put my I put that at 86 cents, right? I put it at 85.26. That is its solid area of resistance. Look at that, guys. Wow. Look at where it hit 88 cents. Let's see something though. Is there a fair value gap anywhere? Do we have anything? Nope, we don't. 182 is I'd say probably closer to, maybe if it does, it might be able to get to close to $1. But currently it's having some trouble now with where it was. It just got beat up, but we are also closer to market open, so that's what's going on there. So again, it's one of those situations where you go, do I want to be greedy? Do I want to get my, how much am I going to get here really? Oh, look at that. I'd basically make my money back from the previous one, MBRX. Or it could cost me another 36 bucks, because if I were to let this go down, I think I'd probably try to cut it right around 55 cents. So it's one of those games, guys. It's just going to be like that. That's what it is. Restroom breaks never good. Nah, it's all right. I'm okay. MBRX pissed me off. Yeah, the fucking sideway news there. That's what it was. It was just sideway news. It was, yeah, look, hey guys, we have good information, good data, good data. Yay, look at that. It came through good. Oh yeah, just kidding. Within this 8K, we're also going to put in there that we want to go ahead, instead of doing 100 million shares, we're going to do 500 million shares. It's just 400 million more. No big deal, huh? Yeah. Uh-huh. And then the rich get richer and the poor get poorer. Come on, let's see this push. We're 13 minutes from market open here, so just be very cautious, be careful. And come on, gimme, gimme, gimme. You're above volume weighted average price. That is your new support. That is your new support. We need you just to buckle. You know what? Hey, it's probably because I haven't done this, you know.
Ladies and gentlemen, please prepare for takeoff. We're T minus 12 minutes from the estimated departure. Looking at this ticker here, SKBL. Currently, I'm in it at 0.6737. We're looking to get to possibly 0.8526, maybe even higher, possibly 9.99999. I'm kidding, 0.99999. If you look to your right, out your window, you see MBRX just giving us a big old finger, and then you see NBY doing a double top there. Currently it's at 179, looking like it is doing a double top, possibly going to come back down to about 164, maybe 170 on NBY. But ladies and gentlemen, please, please, please don't forget to tip your stewardess, and and please don't hit on her. There's no such thing as Mile High Club here. All right, ladies and gentlemen, thank you, and have a safe flight.
I'm so stupid. I know. I'm sorry. It's just different. Life is different. There's 72 of you in here. We got up to 2.3. Wow, that is fucking weak. You know what? I think I think I figured it out. I got it. I'm understanding things better now. I can see clearly now. The rain is gone. All right, guys, it's 6:19. We got 11 minutes to go until market opens. If you haven't yet, please hit the like, the follow, and the share. You know, I don't want to say that it disappoints me to see that there's only 2.7 K on there for the likes, but it does. It disappoints me. Things might be changing. They might be changing up a little bit here. When you don't get certain appreciation that you think you deserve for, coming on and hanging out with you guys and shooting the shit with you and getting you into stocks that are possibly moving on the way up, it hurts my feelings just a little bit. Luckily, the good thing about it is, guys, I'm pretty self-contained. I I may bust your balls about it, but I really don't give a shit. So just saying. If anything, go to jrockstocks.com, become members. It's free. If you subscribe to the watch list blog, then you get the watch list. It does get emailed to your email every Sunday through Thursday. Good morning, Mr. J-Rock and the Pebbles. Oh man. But yeah, so watch this comes out every Sunday through Thursday before 8 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. And look at that. Just in that short amount of time, we went from 2.7K to 4.7K. That's 2,000 more likes we just acquired just like that. It can't be hard to get to 5,000, I guess. But you guys shouldn't do more. I mean, that's a lot. That's a lot of likes. So I appreciate you. Thank you for hanging out with me, and hopefully this day turns green. It has been it's been an uphill battle, and these pump and dumps, they are no joke. They are pump and dumps. They literally pump and dump, and then they pump on good news, and then they dump on news that, well, we don't even know. It just kind of happens. Holy shit! We have a veteran in the house here. Ladies and gentlemen, please say hi to engineering. He is going to be your guide in finding ducks at reasonable prices and custom made ducks. If you have a Jeep, go check out his profile. Go check out his website. He does have one, and yeah, check out his ducks. He does give two ducks about your ducks. There you go. All right, guys. Well, as you can see, I'm currently down $11 on this one when I was up $11 on this one. Again, here we go with taking your profit on the way up, right? This currently, the market makers are allowed to mess with this. So that's probably what's going on here. What's the news? Builders Group Holdings announces, fucking hell. There is a private placement, 17.75 million. Let's see, where's that news? When did they push it out and why did I not see it? Let's see if it works out though. SKBL. 23 minutes ago that came out. I'm sorry, 38 minutes ago it came out. What do we have here? You damn Hong Kong crap. It's okay. We're not losing that much. Still, there I go saying it again. It's not okay. Losing money is not okay. All right, it's not okay. Sabrina, is it okay to lose money? Never. See? From the mouth of God. Come on, get up there. Let's go. Let's save me some ass whoopings. I don't want to get an ass whooping from my wife. Let's go. Push. Come on. Almost there. We're almost there. We're a little bit positive now. We're getting closer and closer as we speak. This is a 1 minute chart. Come on, baby. Push on through. Push on through. I do have the power. Wait, no. Did that sound right? That didn't sound right. What was that? Shit. Come on, shiitake mushrooms. Will you just go? Just break on through. I swear to goodness, this thing's just gonna mess with my emotions. I think it has potential to run though. I think it has potential to run, even though they just did a private placement. What was it? How much? I'm looking at that now. Announces pricing of approximately 6 million initial public offering global. Blah 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 blah. Up to 24.35 million Class A ordinary shares at 73 cents. Well, shit. I bet you it's 73 cents or somewhere around there. Yeah, well, look where it frickin', oh my God. Look at this. Look at the shenanigans. Look where it stopped. 73 fucking cents. 73.11. Wow. Fuck you. Guys, this is massive dilution. Okay? So technically, I'm just going to try to get the hell out of this thing at a small profit. If this thing wants to come up and just kiss my little exit here, that would be wonderful because I'm not liking it at all right now. So come on, get back to volume weighted average price. Seriously, this is why it's good to know how to read filings. And if you don't know how to read filings, copy paste it into ChatGPT and ask for a synopsis. Give me an idea of what this fucking paper says. Because if you don't, you're going to get burned. Like, these guys are literally diluting the shit out of this thing. Ugh, come on, man. Market's going to open in 4 minutes. Come on, give me one leg up. One leg up. Let's go. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. Three minutes. 3 minutes. All right. 3 minutes. Is there a possibility that it gets back up to my 67 cents? Yes, there is a possibility. We're going to safeguard myself and not losing too much money here. Maybe, 20 bucks, something like that. We're going to go ahead and put that there. We're not going to hit the sell button yet. We're going to just put this right here. We're going to go ahead and hover our little clicker over the sell button. So when I see this thing start to move on the way down faster than I'd like it, I can just hit that button and get out. But we still have our sell just above 72 cents. Yep, that's not looking healthy. Fuck. Oh my god, the market's been playing such stupid freaking games. Come on. Quick little whoop, right up. 73 cents. Let's go. No, not gonna give me that. Not at all. Why would you? Why would you? You are just a ruthless little bag of dicks. That's what it is. It's a bag of dicks. That is the market. Started with MBRX. Damn it. Market opens in 2 minutes. Again, with what I've just shown you, I've shown you guys 3 trades, profit up, no problem. Nice and easy. And now I've shown you 2 trades, shitty trades, MBRX, and now this one. So, yeah, what's the moral of the story? Take profit on the way up, right? We were profitable a little bit, not as much as we'd like, but a little bit. The market is ruthless. It's got stuff you don't even want to know about it. Or you don't care about one of those two things. Look at that. Oh my god. Oh geez, this guy right here. Hey everybody, look at J Dull La Queen. Doesn't even know how to read. The damn sign says no crypto, you dumbass. Get the fuck out of here. You fucking dope. God, that guy. Fucking stupid ass. See, now I can say stuff like that because there is a sign. All right, guys. Market is now open. I'm going to go ahead and get the heck out of here. And hopefully this thing goes up just a hair for me. Looks like it froze. The other one's moving. We got NBY doing a beautiful thing. What is going on with SKBL, though? Come on. Quick pump. Let's go. Get up. All right, guys. I got to get going before I get, terminated off of TikTok. All right, guys. Have a great day. And I'll talk to you guys later. I will be coming on doing a lot.